now it's done rendering. Let's check it. Perfect. Now all we want to do is go grab some music. I'm going to use Envato Elements. You guys can search for anything free or use Envato Elements. It's like $16 a month. All right, so let's see. Upbeat. All right, so extract to where you want. If you just want your downloads, hit downloads, right? And then you can close that out and file and import. Okay. Now I'll go hit my downloads. And here we go. Now to edit this, let's see, all right, might have to, Control Z to undo. All right, so we do have that sound effect there, so be mindful. All right, we'll bring this up. And then we're gonna drop this underneath, okay? Keep it simple. And it looks like it starts and ends at a pretty good spot. Now we will need to audio duck, but
hey guys, is there an over?
All right, so select your music and go to audio, okay? Now, with the music selected, you're gonna tell Premiere Pro that this is music, okay? And then we'll tell Premiere Pro, well, we'll leave that out so it can still play. It won't duck that. And then we'll highlight all the audio and click dialogue, okay? Now we'll go back and we'll hit the music and we'll click ducking. Turn the sensitivity all the way up, and let's just try from right here. Generate keyframes. So at the end we'll have to turn the audio down, but this is awesome. Now let's see. We want to turn this audio up on the dialogue, so we'll just click audio, and let's see. We can probably bring the duck amount down a little bit. Generate keyframes. Okay.
Hey guys, it's Aaron over at Subs. Just giving you a breakdown of our newest pre-workout to hit our stores, Subs Unleashed.
So we could still turn this up maybe like 2 or 3.
Hey guys, it's Aaron over at Subs. Just giving you
all right, maybe 1.
A breakdown of our newest pre-workout to hit our stores. Subs Unleashed, an exclusive collaboration with our guy.
Okay, we'll just turn it up to match. All right. Okay.
Guys over at Muscle Force, if you're familiar with these guys, you know they make some badass pre-workouts.
Okay, so I think I'll bring this up and I'll open this a little bit, and then I'll just take this down just a little bit. Hold on.
It's no different.
Oh, that's right. It's negative.
Extremely very high stimulus.
That should work.
Guys over at Muscle Force, if you're familiar with these guys, you know they make some badass pre-workouts, and this is no different. Extremely very high stimulant, great focus. Definitely start half a scoop with this one.
Okay, now if we really wanted to affect all the audio at once, we could highlight it instead of going through and manually changing it. The other thing would be to highlight it and then hit nest. Okay. Let's make sure that it still kept our...
Hey guys.
Yep, still kept our effect on it. All right, so we nest things to affect the layer all at once. So if any of you have been editing all together, this is gonna help you. All right, so I'm gonna go to audio effects and then let's see. I didn't notice any reverb. But some of the cool ones to play with, like if it's strong S's, you could drop the de-esser on there. A couple other good ones are the denoise, the de-reverb, if you notice echoes, de-hummer. Let's see. So let's just go through a couple of these. Multi-band compressor. Now I'm going to drop it on there, and I'm going to go click editing. I'm going to make sure this clip is highlighted. I'm going to go find it over here in effects controls. Make sure that this is highlighted. Okay. Multi-band compressor, I can hit edit,
Aaron over at Subs. Just giving you a breakdown of our newest pre-workout to hit our stores, Subs Unleashed, an exclusive collaboration with their guys over at Muscle Force. If you're familiar with these guys, you know they make some badass pre-workouts, and this is no different. Extremely potent, very high stimulus. Hey guys, this is Aaron over at Subs. Just giving you a breakdown of our newest pre-workout to hit our stores, Subs Unleashed, an exclusive collaboration with their guys over at Muscle Force. If you're familiar with these guys, you know they make some badass pre-workouts, and this is no different. Extremely potent, very high stimulant, great focus. Hey guys, this is Aaron over at Subs. Just giving you a breakdown of our newest pre-workout to hit our stores. Hey guys, this is Aaron over at Subs. Just giving you a break. Hey guys, this is Aaron over at Subs. Just giving you. Hey guys, this is Aaron over at Subs. Just giving you a breakdown of our newest pre-workout to hit our stores, Subs Unleashed, an exclusive collaboration with their guys over at Muscle Force. If you're familiar with these guys, you know they make some badass pre-workouts, and this is no different. Extremely potent, very high stimulant, great focus. Definitely start half a scoop with this one.
Now, you could do the same with any of those audio effects. They just have a slight variation. Now, we're going to cut right here, and I'm going to go grab an effect, okay? So I am going to actually go to crossfade and exponential fade, and right here, I'm going to place it in the middle, okay? That should allow me to transition, and then to keep this kind of something decent
with this one.
Okay.
This one.
Still want to go up. That might be good.
With this one.
That's like actually perfect, but I am going to still push it a little bit. All right. Also, I can select it and go to audio and mess with the clip volume. So I could just like clip that and turn it up right here. I'm just like sick of messing with it. Let's try that.
This one.
Yeah, I just want to have that.
Start half a scoop with this one.
Good. Now this is done here.
Hey guys, this is Aaron over at Subs. Just giving you a breakdown of our newest pre-workout to hit our stores, Subs Unleashed, an exclusive collaboration with their guys over at Muscle Force. If you're familiar with these guys, you know they make some badass pre-work.
We're good. I'm gonna export this now and bring this over into CapCut. Okay. And let's see, I do want to go put this. Now, good video settings for this would be, let's see, click more. Now, if you want like the best, you could go VBR bandpass 2, and then as a good rule of thumb, if whatever this is, let's just go up, you would then double it. So then this would become like 32, right? that would be for like a better, higher end quality. I'm still confident with what I have going on here, even if I were to drop it down, right, and drop this to 30, okay? This lowering this target bitrate does make this file size smaller, so keep that in mind. Okay, we'll just go, I'll even show you guys at 12, like this will be great. All right, and 1224, all right. And then audio, good audio settings, AAC, 48,000 hertz, stereo, 320 bitrate down at the bottom there. That'll be really nice. And then we'll just set it right. Oh, and if I really wanted to, I could go back, select the clip, and adjust the color by going to the color. I'm okay with this. Plus, if I really wanted to, I could mess with it. Color settings in CapCut as well. So I just happen to be confident with this one. All right, I'm going to go ahead and export.